Hello accounts people, time to go back to Campbell Kitchens just to finish off the practical task, which is a couple of journals to be entered and then the bank reconciliation. So the bank reconciliation will be done afterwards because a couple of the journals involve the bank account. So we'll go on to the nominal codes on the left hand side and you can see journal entries. So once you've found it once, it's not hard to find again. Just like normal journals in bookkeeping controls, we have to balance our debits and credits. It's assumed there's no VAT involved. If we needed a journal involving VAT, we'd have to put the VAT code in. And this one, the first one, was an error made by the boss, and she's understated premises insurance. We've seen premises insurance, and so we can just add an extra 10 to it, and then credited another 10 out of the bank. And then the second one is drawings. So drawings, there we are, 3050. We've seen that one in the trial balance already. So now she's taken out another £600 out the bank. Should really be writing a bit more details in this, but that's all you have to do as far as Sage is concerned. So debits and credits balance off. That's another task done. So now to the one that is in a way the pivotal task, because if this works it means you've made enough transactions correctly. But I will show you what happens when it doesn't work. Alright, so we're going to go bank accounts, make sure we've got the right bank account, and then reconcile. So what we need is the end balance of the statement. So very common error to put the wrong statement balance to start, or the cash book, or do nothing, and then the date, because all the transactions are in May, so no point leaving it as April. And then effectively we're now going to do the update cash book, or part of the update cash book exercise. Bank interest earned. Not sure how the money's to earn that much interest from the amount they've got in there. Must have a very generous bank. It's got a date and doesn't have a bank code by itself. Probably best use miscellaneous income. Bank charges has got a nominal code, and that you might find yourself putting that one in as well. But all we need to do, click OK. You'll see the bank balance itself change, and we've put this in as a, that was a book balance. We've now put the extra 2420. It would actually make 394449. But now we just work down our bank statement, so in some ways it's a lot easier than the manual version. And on the statement I've got in front of me, that's the top item. It's there, it's matched. Tick it, cross it, highlight it on the bank statement, of course. And that's there as well. Then we've got 829.40. Well, we've only got 819.40, but actually hidden down here is the other 10. And we can match the two of them together. 1200 is also there, and then the next item is the 1906.50. Getting closer. The 600's there, and 1097.44 is there. The last item that's actually on the statement is the 2420 that we've done, and as if by magic the difference is now 0, which is very useful. We know it's done. We know enough transactions have been done correctly to pass the exam. We know these items haven't gone through. It's worth having a quick look just to make sure. There might commonly be an item that should have come out of the petty cash. It's been put in the wrong bank account, in which case they will need correcting, so you'd need to highlight them in the transaction screen and change them. So if this doesn't work out right, we have a number of options. The ultimate option is to save where we've got to, or we could close and start again, but we've done a lot of work. So if we save it, go through the system, find out what we've done wrong, then go back into Reconcile, start from where we got to. Other options, so nice simple option. Without going outside of the bank reconciliation window, you can do any of these items. We could transfer money, maybe we forgot to top up or record the fact that we topped up the petty cash. We could do a bank receipt. It just takes you into the normal bank receipt window. Any of the others, supplier payment, takes you into the normal supplier payment window, allows you to process several transactions if we need to. Even a little batch of bank payments, we could do a number of them and then finish the reconciliation without losing the work we've done without going outside the window. However, that's fine. Now, reconciliation is quite important. Once it's reconciled, it's in the bank, it's in your cash book, we've checked it, it can't be changed except by phoning Sage up or getting an expert to crack open your database. Not recommended. So very, very tamper proof. So notice we've reconciled it, we've got 3944.49 and actually we had 2 items left. If we'd wanted to, we could have done the formal bank reconciliation. That was a balance on the bank statement. That's the unpresented cheque. That's the uncleared lodgement. And that's now our cash book total. So we know everything's correct on there. Other things that might need changing, well, there's a lot of them. Anything else would require going into transactions. We haven't got many we can do, but we can edit and delete transactions. So we could move something from petty cash or from the 1200 into petty cash or something of that nature.